ladies and gentlemen, we welcome now back. Now still the late night show we do. So, and we don't hear from Professor Lincoln. He come and go remind us that year, say man, as he be like this now, he's still there on board. He's still there on board. I like the fact, say man, now he's still there very, he's still inside the whole game, and he still get many things to come launch, come out for everybody. So, just watch out for Professor Lincoln. As he be like this now, when I hear that song, we carry us enter just now, and very serious song, the very touching your heart song, Bring Things Come Down. As he be like this, ladies and gentlemen, they bring inside the studio Alison. Now, a song we just hear now. Alison, you're welcome. Alisia, I don't know. Let's go, Alison. Alisia, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Area. You said a full area now. Now, wow, today own it. We first carry Lioness come. She start do our own. Area. We say, don't worry, you go see learn the OT. But I don't work out for some kind of place. Maybe I'll put up for all show like 2 weeks. Come from there, go carry go and like another 3 weeks. You go blend. Only she get the wear slippers, tie up at the store for straight. How far now? You go see everywhere. You know. So you welcome there. Welcome. I say you want to sing just now. I just say Alisia. I say you want to sing. Enter the OT. Say. Thank you, No, my man, that's a joke around.
No,
how your body?
I feel great.
Music things now. You are not say, make I not even say you are just a musician because you be hustler.
That's it.
You be event planner. You still they do. You be actress. You can't they sing on top. Everything all joined together.
You must miss the market.
You must miss the market.
Not be one way.
Bam. So, but out of all those ones now, which one you first start with?
Dance.
Dancing still there inside?
Yes.
Which one will not know? Tell us. Say you the sell coffin, you the hawk balls.
I beg, no.
Now business now. They talk to this thing. People when they do, when they go bury people left, there don't be money that they make.
No, money now. Everything that hustle.
So that's what means tomorrow now. This is your complimentary card now.
Say.
Casket builder.
You go buy one.
God forbid bad thing. You shall not buy it. All right, so back to quickly. Tell us more about your journey so far.
My journey so far, you don't say the artist started from stage, doing acting, dancing, and all that. Hey, just last year, I don't know what happened. The music just come.
Music just from last year.
Yes.
Music just decided to just say, touch your heart.
Let's see it.
Make you come try it.
Yes.
So before music, now which one first day aside from dance now? Before music, what's be the
acting?
Acting first day.
And I do an event planning.
Event planning.
Yes.
So before music can't come. Because now the music thing, I really carry you come this show like this.
Not so.
So tell us more about the music, your kind of music, and more about Alisia.
Yes, my name is Alisia. So Alisia is the name.
I be the name.
Yes. They are number one of Africa.
Bam.
Go anywhere.
I don't first see you for stage before they do your dance thing.
That's so
when you enter inside India level. When you do your Indian thing, I say, oh boy, see this girl, they give us jigida, they do things very different things, they shake things.
That's so nice.
Say that performance you see they do on top stage well like that.
Yes, sir.
Because you now, I will call you entertainer.
Yeah, that's so nice.
No be just in one musician, you they do every.
So,
but this your song now, what's the title of the one where you they push now?
I have 2 singles now. The one is Ogeneme, while the other one is Onime.
Okay.
The Onime video is ready.
Okay. Another one I will go see now.
Another one we will see now.
Okay.
You know, say many people they like to talk. Say I come from social player. I be pure data.
Pure data. Make that yell. Urobo.
Like worry.
Full. You know what you go do now? You will face camera now. You will greet your people for that area, for that side. You feel the area. You understand? So you go don't face. You don't ready?
Yes. Sir.
You don't face that camera like this. You understand? Look that camera out there. Put 3 on top. So look and where. Greet your people. Oh yeah.
Area.
Hey.
Inimewado.
What do?
Inimewado.
Hey.
Mingwa.
You go teach us this thing though.
No.
So if I want greet area people now.
Even inside the video.
You did for the video,
sir. See the greet in Inimewado.
Okay, Inimewado.
Yes.
Okay.
See, because the video is all about mother women. We have women
appreciating our mothers.
Yes,
our
yeah,
mothers. You never
yes.
to we even my mama self he do birthday. So this song will just enter for the whole thing. Even mothers, the mothers they never to tell like that when they do them. Okay, for all our mothers waiting for outside there when they watch this show like this, and all those mothers then when they come will be upcoming mothers too. Now be our young guests for today. If you say you just marry now, you never even marry, you never even say boyfriend get. For all our mothers, grandmothers, everybody will be doing you be woman. This music video now for you and now from Alisia. Of course, what's the title again?
Onime.
Onime. What's the meaning of Onime?
My mother.
My mother. All right, so make we see that video. By the time we come back, we all talk small. Then she go perform this song for us inside the show, and then we go call the old show to a closing and everything. Okay, so not go anywhere. We come back. Now they feel that song, you understand? This song now for our mothers waiting for out there, our women them generally, you know. First and foremost, we appreciate all of una, and of course, this particular song where our babe just threw it for ground, so we use and say appreciate una. All right, mouth not go reach to say thank you to all of una, but make I all leave her for there because she go do the performance. But before I come out for the whole thing like this, I just want to say biggest thank you to all of our guests. And of course, even yourself, when they watch the show this night. Don't forget to jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, follow us, relate, and then from there we'll go know every. As it be like this now, we'll go leave now for the hand of Alisia to give us a particular song, which we just see the video, to perform the song for inside here, and then from there we'll go know how every. From us for here, for myself and Easy Beat, we say good night to all of you now. Alisia, carry on, come on.
Successful man, there is always a successful woman. If you know you're happy to be a woman, can I hear you say, yeah. Show tomorrow. If you lose your body, another one will come tomorrow. Or if you lose your mama, if you lose your mama, only man. If you lose your husband, another one will come tomorrow. If you lose your wifey, another one will show tomorrow. If you lose your